Maggie's shoveling a little. And Gypsy's happy. How many inches you think, Maggie? Yeah, probably good, at least a good 2, maybe 3. That's a pretty good amount of snow. Oh. Gypsy's very annoying to shovel with, but she's driving us nuts. She wants to be outside so bad. So, oh my, look at this snow. The snow, the mailman's car tracks are almost buried already, and he was only here an hour ago. It's a good thing the shovel's kind of a light plastic shovel, so that when it hits the dog in the head, she won't have a concussion. She's so funny. She's such a funny girl. Okay, well, it is just a little bit after 2 now. We're getting a pretty good amount of snow. The tree's starting to get kind of heavy in places. I don't know if you can see or not, but the little shed's starting to get kind of covered up in snow. It's definitely, the car is disappearing. Get a little more goofy dog video. Gypsy! Come here, Gypsy! Fun, huh, Maggie? Huh? Fun, huh?